So I am opening, and it's dumping rain behind me, so this is my Woman of Achievement, Miss Eastern Sierra Sash and Crown. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here it is, Miss Eastern Sierra. And, oh my word. This is the Eastern Sierra crown. They sent me a crown to go with it. Okay. I have scissors. I should use the scissors rather than my teeth. Oh my gosh, it came. I'm so excited. Ooh, it's got a little dangly thing on it. There it is.
Look up, I got a close-up.
Oh, this is so beautiful. Of course, as I get it wet in the rain, but there it is, Eastern Sierra.